Hi guys, welcome back, and today I will be making a banana custard cake. This recipe is from Emma Goodies. This is not a challenge, guys. She's a professional baker, alright? And I thought, why not reach out to her for consent on this recipe? And yes, she did. This banana custard cake is everything. It is soft and moist. The custard is all set. It's just the bomb, alright? So let's get started. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of whole milk, 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and you want to give this a nice whisk, making sure that there are no lumps from the cornstarch. Once it's all whisked up and nice and smooth, Emma did use 2 eggs, but here I'm using 3 eggs, alright? Just giving it a little twist. Give it a good whisking, then add the egg yolks into the milk mixture. So at this time, I'm going to turn the heat on and let this boil until the mixture thickens. Once this is doing its thing, I have to keep stirring. So guys, keep stirring until it is smooth and thick and nice, just like this. Now I'm going to add some vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. Turn the heat off from under the pot. You can see how smooth and nice this is. Now I'm going to pour it into a dish. Once I'm done pouring it into the dish, I'm going to cover it with a cling wrap. And guys, I did this the day before, alright? This is my first time doing this cake, so I didn't want to take any chances. I did my custard the day before, place it into the refrigerator and let it get cool and nice. Let's get the Tsp going by adding 3 egg whites, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, and you want to whisk this. I will be adding 1/2 cup of granulated sugar a little at a time, and whisk this until it turns Tsp. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And this is what it looks like, guys. You can see that Tsp. Set it aside. Now for the cake mixture, I have 3 eggs. I'm using 2 yolks actually and 1 egg, alright? 1/2 cup of milk and 1 ripe banana finely mashed. Whisk it for about a minute or so. And then I'm going to add 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift them up into here. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And you want to mix this. So I did add some essence, guys. Sorry, it was off camera. Now I'm going to add 3 scoops of my Tsp and just mix it in. Once this is done mixing, I'm going to pour the batter right over into the rest of the Tsp. And at this time, I do have a cake pan that I did line with parchment paper. And my oven set to 160 degrees. Once this is done mixing, I am going to pour the batter right into my cake pan. Now I'm going to give it a little shake into the oven, and once you insert a skewer and it comes out clean, the cake is finished. Upturn it onto a cooling rack and let it cool. At this time I had a mishap, guys, because the bottom of my cake was extremely brown. Nonetheless, you can cut it off. So here the next day I removed my custard, blend it up so that it can get really smooth and nice again. Now for the bad part, my cake. You can just cut off that brown part, but that's all right. So here I'm just plastering my custard over the cake. Some is going to fall to the side, and that's all right because we're going to be cutting off the sides, all right? Smooth it like this. And when you want a good cut, you got to put it right back into the refrigerator so that that custard can set. So at this time, guys, I did not realize that my battery died. So I did cut the sides of the cake off, and this is what it looks like. Now the fun part is cutting this cake. I know I cannot do it like Emma did, but guys, I still do it. And if I can do it, you can get it done too. Look at how this knife is going right through the custard, right into the cake. Oh my goodness. Here we have some nice clean cut, guys. So, time for tasting. This cake is so moist. It is so tasty. Oh my goodness, give it a try, guys. You wouldn't go wrong. It makes a great dessert. I am so loving this. I will be doing more of this banana custard cake, and enjoy. I will see you soon.